Hello, welcome back with a new drawing. There's a simple drawing. There's a circular part and there's a 6 hole on the surface and all dimensions are given. So let's start. First of all, select the new drawing. Select the sketch, select the top plane. We are going with the line command. Select the line length of 22.5 mm. The outer circle, the radius is 18 mm, means the 36 diameter of circle. The both side, now going with the line command for the reference, the both side and bottom side as well. Now we are going to trim the unwanted circle and the line. Now select the line command and join the two half circle, and our outer sketch of part is ready. Now we are going to extrude this sketch with the diameter of 4.4 mm, and you can see the result. Now on the center there is another part, so we are going with the plane command, going with circle with the diameter of 7.6 radius, so means 15.2 mm. So both side the circle diameter is 15.2. Again the same process. Select the circle and inside half circle is radius 5, means 10 mm diameter. Now going with the line command for the reference line, upside and bottom side as well, and the both side. Now going to trim command and cut the unwanted line. Here's a trim is ready, so now we are going to line command and connect the all point. delete the relationship. In our sketch is ready. So now we are going to extrude, but before we are going to some calculate. The total height is 16 mm minus 4.4. So the extrude height is 11.6 mm. So select the extrude and the distance is 11.6 mm. And apply. You can see the result is ready. Now there is some center part also need to hide. So first of all, we are going to calculate some distance, and now going with the sketch command, select the plane, and first of all going with the circle command with the diameter of 10 mm, the both side of same diameter. Now draw some line for the reference. The vertical line like both side of point, top side and bottom side. Now trim the unwanted line of the inner part of the circle. Now join the 2 points of circle the help of line command. Delete the relationship of line with the circle. Now inside of part of sketch is ready. Now going to extrude, but before going to calculate the distance. So total is 16 mm and we use 4.4 mm for thickness minus 5 mm from the top side. So now 6.6 mm we need to extrude. You can see our inside of extrude is ready. Now you can see the drawing, there's a 2 hole with the diameter of 5 mm. So going to sketch plan, going the circle command, diameter of 5 mm, the both side. The center to center distance are same 22.5 mm. So our 2 holes are ready. So we are going to trim the unwanted line. Now we are going to subtract of sketch using of extrude command. So you can see our hole already. Now you can see there is a 6 hole on the face with the diameter of 3.4 mm as per drawing, and the center point so first of all we are going to circle command. The diameter of 26, draw the line the both side, top and bottom. Now trim the unwanted line. Now going to circle command. The hole diameter is 3.4 mm. So you can see our 6 hole of sketch is ready. So now trim the unwanted line. Now subtract the sketch, and you can see our hole are ready. Now again the 6 hole with diameter of 7 mm with depth of 1 mm is a counter hole. So we are going to same process. The 6 hole we are going to do with the diameter of 7 mm. Now you can see the depth is 1 mm. So we are going to extrude, subtract the distance is 1 mm. Apply. You can see our counter hole is ready. Now hide the sketch line for the better appearance. All the sketch line we are going to hide. You can see our 90% job is ready. Now you can see our blend on the edge of the job. So we are going to choose the edge blend, select the edge, the radius is 0.25. Now we are going to move. So we are going to radius with 1 mm. Again choose the edge plane. Select the edge. Radius is 1 mm. So same doing the inside of edge for the blend. So you can see our job is completely ready. If any question, please comment below. Thank you.